Yo, what's up everybody, this is Hard Reset, and if TikTok is acting up, like videos aren't loading, the For You page is blank, or uploads keep failing, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. So, the first of all, if you are on TikTok right now, and it lags or make you some mistakes, or just keeps failing, you need to close and reopen TikTok. So do just like this and swipe, and then go on TikTok again. If it didn't help, check its permissions, if the TikTok permissions are allowed. So we go to the settings, to the apps, search the TikTok, here it is, and you have the app permissions. And if you need to use some functions of TikTok, you need to allow some permissions for those functions. So you need to go camera. If you want to make videos, you need to go microphone, and always allow only while using the app, or just allow. I know each other phone has another allow permission settings, but the algorithm is the same, so the process is the same, and you just click like this and that's all. Quick and simple. So after you allowed some functions, some permissions, you go to TikTok, and if it still doesn't work, what can you do? You go to the Google Play, search for TikTok, and just reinstall this application. You need to push uninstall and install it again. Okay, and here we go. We open TikTok, and if it still doesn't work, even if you logged in or do some things in TikTok, like changing the avatar or changing the name, and if it still doesn't work and gives you some errors, you need to go look for platform issues. It could be drop down of the application, and for search this application, for search if it's dropped or no in the moment, you need to go for the downdetector.com. Okay, go like this and search the TikTok. Okay, not here. And you scrolling, and here it is. So this is a currently graphical, like those columns are meanings of the TikTok drop down last 24 hours. So you can check if your site's down or not. But when you check this site, and if it doesn't have a drop and it still doesn't work, the most simple thing you can do is restart your phone or reset your internet. So it can help you with something like this. For real, you do like this and it's so simple. Go to TikTok, and if it works, you solve your problem. So thank you so much, appreciate for your likes, for your follows, share this video with your friends, and see you in the next video.